Basavareddy BA and BCom College, Dharwad. Okay, my name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 5th sem student. Last class we have discussed meaning of LIFO, advantages of LIFO and the disadvantages of LIFO. Okay, problems also we have solved. The next problem based on LIFO. Okay, prepare a store ledger showing the various receipt and the issue from the following information under LIFO method. March 1. Balance 500 units at 1 per unit. 15. Ordered 250 units. PO number 101 expected on 20th March. 18. Issued 125 units requisition number 350 to the department A. 21. Received 150 units. PO number is nothing but GR number 101 at 1.10 per unit. 25. Ordered 250 units. PO number 125 expected on 5th April. March 1. Issued 175 units. Requisition number 360 to the department B. 10. Received 200 units. PO number 125 at 1.20 per unit. 20. It was discovered that 5 units received on March 21st PO number 101 were defected. Defected is nothing but shortage and hence were returned to the vendor. March 1. Received 100 units being the balance of PO number 101 at rupees 1.10 per unit. 15. Issued 100 unit requisition number 375 to the department C. 20. Department C return to store room for a credit 25 units which were issued on 15th May. 15th May ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 30 issued 125 units requisition number 385 to the department A. Okay, we have to prepare the store ledger under LIFO method. This information is given in the problem. There are 3 months information: March, April and May. Let us solve the problem. The problem. Problem number 2. Store ledger under LIFO method. Store ledger under LIFO method. First column is date. Second column is receipt. Third column is issue. Fourth column is balance. First column is GR number here. Second is quantity. Third is rate. Fourth is amount. MR number, quantity, rate, amount. Quantity, rate, amount. Okay, let us start the problem. March 1, balance 500 at 1. March 1, 500 units at 1, 500. 500 units at 1, 500. Next, 15. Ordered 250 units at 101, expected 20. March 15. GMR number 101. 101 units 125. 125 into 1, 125. 125 into 1, 125. So 500 minus 125. 25. 1. 325. 325. Sorry, 325 into 1, 325. Next, 18. Issued 125 units at 350 to Department A. 125 units at 125 units to Department A. 21. Received 150 units at 101, 1 point. Okay. 21. Order 250 unit PO number 101 expected on 20th March is given, but it is 20th March. Here we have no 20th March, so that we have to not consider this period. Okay, 18th. Here we have to take down 18. 18 GR number 350. 350. Okay. 21 received 150 units at 101. 150 units at 1.10. Next PO number is 101. 150 into 1.10. 65. Okay. First lot we have 375 into 1. 375. Second lot we have 150 into 1.10. 165. Okay. Next 25. Order 250 units 125 expected on 5th April. Expected on 5th April. Order ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ period is also not taken. Next one is April 1st. Issue 175. Issue 175, but we have only 150. Okay, 175. Requisition number 360. 360 requisition number. First we have to give 150 into 1.10, 165, so that 175 alli 150 we have to already taken. So remaining 25 we have to give from the first lot. 25 into 1, 25. 375 minus 25. 355. 1, 355. Okay, second lot is nil. The next one, 10 received 200 units 125 GR number at 1.20. April 10 200 at 1.20. 200 at 1.20. 40. Okay, we have here two lots. 355 into 1, 355. Next 200 into 1.20 to 40. To 40. Next 20. It was discovered that 5 units received on March 21st 101 defected and hence written. Okay, 101. 20th 101 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 5 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 5 ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ವೆಂಡರ್. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ವೆಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, 5 at last in last out 1.20. 5 into 1.20. Okay, 355 into 1, 355. Next 200 minus 5, 195. 1.20. 195 2.10 to 234. 234. 20 is over. Next, May 1st. May 1st. Received 100 units being 101 PO number, 100 units at 1.10, 110. Okay, we have here 3 lot. 355 into 1, 355. 195 into 1.20, 234. Next, 100 into 1.10, 110. Okay, next, March 15. Issue 100, requisition number 375. 15, requisition number 375, 100 units. Last in last the column just the amount to 1.1011 10. Okay, next, 355 into 1, 355. 195, 1.20, 234. 100 lot is cancelled. We have already taken down that lot. Okay, next, 20th, Department C returned to store 25 credit which were issued on 15th March. 20th. Okay, 50th ನಾವೇನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, 25 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಇದದು 375 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 25 ಅದರ ರೇಟ್ 1.10, 27.50. Again we have here 3 lots. 355 into 1, 355. Okay, next, 195 into 1.20, 234. 25 into 1.10, 27.50. Last, issue 30, issue 125, requisition number 385. 125, but we have here 25, 1.10, 27.50. remaining we have 100, so that we have to taken from the second lot. 100, 1.20, 100 into 1.20, 120. Okay, here we have 355, 355, 100, 195 minus 100, 95, 1.20, 25 the lot kali. 95 into 5 into 1.20, 114. Okay, this lot is cancelled. Andre yard lot valle remaining namga udilla. Okay, first we have to give opening 500 into 1, 500. 500 in that we have to give 120. 375 into 1, 375. So again we are purchasing 150 into 1.10, 165. 375, 150. Next we are giving 175. Okay, last lot we have ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ 150 ಅದ. 150 ನಾವು 150 ನಾಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 75 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ remaining 25 we have to give from the first lot. Okay, next we are purchasing 200 into 1.20, 240. 240 we have 2 lot here. Next we have to return to vendor 5. 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದರೆ 195. remaining first lot we have not taken. Next we are purchasing 100, 1.10, 110, 375, so 195, 100. We are giving 100, so that this lot is nil. 355, 195. 195 again we are purchasing 25 because ನಾವೇನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. 1.10, 27.50. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3 ಲಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಲಾಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 100 ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್. 195 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಹೋದರೆ 95 is remaining. So that we have to give the total. 5 plus 5, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 110, 10 plus 5, 15, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4, 2.20, 964. 450, 2.20, 469. Okay, this is our final answer. This is the store ledger of FIFO method. I hope you understood. Number 3. Enter the following transaction in the store ledger of Y material using LIFO method. Jan 1st, 2017, balance 400 units at 1 per unit. Second, issued 100 units. Fourth, received 1600 units at 1.10. 6. Issued 600 units. 10. Refund the store 40 units issued on 2nd April. 11. Received 600 units at 1.20 per unit. 14. Issued 640 units. 16. Received 200 units at 1.20 per unit. 20. Issued 240 units. 22. Returned to vendor 80 units. Received on 16th. 16th ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು 18th ಗೆ 22nd ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ವೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. 25. Received 400 units at 1 per GR number 32. 27. Freight paid on purchase GR number 32, 50. Okay. 30. 2017 issue 500 units. This information given in the problem. Let us solve the problem. Number 3. Store ledger under LIFO method. Store ledger under LIFO method. First column is date. Second column is receipt. Third column is payment or issue. Last column is balance. Okay. First column is GR number. Second is quantity. Third is rate. Fourth one is amount. MR number, quantity, rate, amount. Quantity, rate, amount. Okay. First one, balance. Jan 1st, 2017. Balance 400 units at 1. 400 units at 1. 400. 400 into 1. 400. Next. Second. Issue 100 units. Jan 2nd. Issue 100. We have sufficient amount. 400 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. 100 into 1, 100. So that 400 minus 100, 300. 300 into 1, 300. Okay. Next. Fourth. Received 1600 units at 1.10. Jan 4th. 1600 units at 1.10. 1600 units at 1.10. 1760. 1760. So that we have two lot here. 300 into 1, 300. 1600. 1.10. 1760. 1760. Next. Jan 6 issue 600 units. Jan 6 issue 600. First lot ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1600 ಅದ sufficient. Second last lot ಅಲ್ಲಿ sufficient amount we have. So 600 1.10 600 1.10. The remaining amount is here 300 into 1 300. So that second lot we have already used 600. So remaining amount is 1000. 1000 into 1 1100. Here 660 we have remaining amount. Okay, the next one is 10 refound to store 40. 7 10 Jan 10 refound to store 40 unit which issued on second ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಫಂಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೀಫೌಂಡ್ 40 into 1 40. So that we have here 3 lots. 300 into 1 300, 1000 into 1.10 1100, 40 into 1 40. Okay, next 10 11 received 600 at 1.20 per unit. 11th 600 unit at 1.20, 600 into 1.20 50. 750 we have remaining amount. 20 we have remaining amount. So that we have 4 lot here. So 300 1 300, 1000 1.10 1100, 40 into 1 40, 600 1.20 720. Okay, next 14 issue 640. 14 issue 640 units. First we have 600. So 600 1.20 720, 40 into 1 40. 640 lot is completely fulfilled. Okay, 300 into 1 300, 1000 into 1.10 1100. So 40 lot we have given, 600 lot we have already paid. The next 16 received 200 at 1.20. 16 200 at 1.20. 200 at 1.20 40 to 40. So that we have here 3 lot. 300 into 1 300, 1000 into 1.10 1100. Last lot is 200 into 1.20 to 40. Okay, next 20th lot 240 units. 20th lot 240. First we have to give 200 1.20 to 40. Next 40 in the remaining 1000. 40 into 1.10. 40 into 1.10 44. Okay, we have here 2 lot. 300 into 1 300, 1000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಹೋದರೆ 960. 960 into 1.10. Already 200 lot is completely we have taken. 960 into 1.10 1250. Already we have given last lot. Okay, 22nd return to vendor 80. Return to vendor 80. We are in last lot. So 80 into 1.10 88. 2 remaining 300 1 300 880, 1.10, 960H. Okay, next 25 received 400 at 1 GR number 32. 400 into 1, 400. So we have 3 lot here. 300 into 1, 300. 880 into 1.10, 960H. 400 into 1, 400. Okay. Next, issue 500 units. 30. Issue 500 units. First we have 400. So 400 into 1, 400. The remaining 100 is given from the second lot. 1.10, 1110. So remaining we have 2 lot here. 300 into 1, 300. 880 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 780. 780 into 1.10. 780 into 1.10. 58. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. Okay, store ledger under LIFO method. First 400 from we have to give store. Opening stock 400 into 1, 400. Again we are issuing 100. 400 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಹೋದರೆ 100 into 100, 300 ಉಳಿತು. ರಿಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ 1600, 1.1760. We have 2 lot. Again we are issuing 600. 1600 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 600 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1000. 2 lot remaining. 40 we have to return to store. 40 into 1, 40. 1, 2, 3 lots we have. Okay, 600 we are receiving. 600 into 1.20, 720. 300, 1000, 40 and the 600. Next we are issuing 640. First we have to give 600. Next from 40. So we have remaining 2 lot. Next we are receiving 200 into 1.20 to 40. Again we have 3 lot here. Next we are issuing 240. 200 from the last lot. 40 from the second lot. 300, 1000 minus 40, 960. Next we are return to vendor 80 units. We are in last lot. Okay, 1.10, 88. 300, 960 minus 88, 880. Okay, 1.10, 968. Next we are purchasing or receiving 400 into 1, 400. We are 3 lot. Next we are issuing 500. 400 from the last lot, 100 from the second lot. 880 minus 100, 780. I hope you understood the problems based on LIFO method. Problems based on LIFO method. Thank you.